If you want to go quickly, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. When the roots are deep, there is no reason to fear the wind. A person is a person through other persons. Do not look where you fell, but where you slipped. He who is destined for power does not have to fight for it. The rain does not fall on one roof alone. Patience can cook a stone. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. If you think you're too small to make a difference, you haven't spent the night with a mosquito. Knowledge is like a garden. If it is not cultivated, it cannot be harvested. A wise person is rich, even when destitute. A fool is poor, even when wealthy. The strength of the crocodile is in the water. One finger cannot kill a louse. He who learns, teaches. The mouth which eats does not talk. It takes a village to raise a child. Where there is love, there is no darkness. When you follow in the path of your father, you learn to walk like him. The fool speaks, the wise man listens. The sun will shine on those who stand before it shines, on those who kneel under them. A tree that is unbending is easily broken. Words are like spears. Once they leave your lips, they can never come back. By crawling, a child learns to stand. When a king has good counselors, his reign is peaceful. Do not call the forest that shelters you a jungle. The antelope that runs alone is the one to be caught. He who forgives ends the quarrel. You cannot build a house for last year's summer. If you want to eat honey, don't kick over the beehive. No matter how dark the night, morning always comes. The heart of the wise man lies quiet, like limpid water. The little opportunities are often the beginning of great enterprises. A wise person does not act the fool. He who conceals his disease cannot expect to be cured. The foot does not feel the weight of the foot, but the back feels the weight of the load.